The subject code is 18CS2017 operating system lab. In the fourth exercise is CPU scheduling or algorithms. The In this we're gonna see the first code, that is FCFS type of process scheduling. And the first come first server. FCFS means the first come first serve. Scheduling algorithms in the simple one in this algorithm. So def FCFS burst time, print process burst time, waiting time, turnaround time. I is equals to 0, waiting time is equals to 0, turnaround time is equals to 0. MT1 is equals to brackets, MT2 is equals to brackets, while I greater than burst time. Turnaround time plus equal to burst time into I. Print P plus str I plus 1 plus slash T plus str burn time plus slash T plus str waiting time plus slash T plus str turnaround time. MT1 dot append waiting time, MT2 append turnaround time. Waiting time plus equal to burst time 1. I plus equal to 1, return MT1 comma MT2. NP is equal to int input and enter number of process. Burst time is equal to bracket for I in range NP. Burst time append int in input, enter the burst time for process I process plus str I plus 1. Else is equals to FCFS burst time, print average waiting time plus str sum list by learn list. Print average turnaround time plus str sum list 1 by len list 1. That's all. Now let's run the program. Now let's give here 4. $20, $45, $39, $54. I got the process, burst time and waiting time, and I got burst time, waiting time and turnaround. The average waiting time is 47.25 and average turnaround time is 86.7. And let's go to the second one, that is SJF. And so SJF is the shortest job first scheduling algorithm chosen the process that is the smallest next CPU burst. So let's start with initialize the value waiting time. So def SJF burst time comma x, print process burst time, waiting time and turnaround time. I is equals to 0, waiting time is equals to 0, turnaround time is equals to 0, MT1 equal to bracket, MT2 equal to bracket, while I greater than len burst time, turnaround time plus equal to burst time into I. Print P plus str x dot index burst time I plus 1 plus str burst time plus waiting time plus turnaround time. X into x index burst time into I equal to -1. MT1 append waiting time and MT2 append turnaround time. Waiting time plus equal to burst time I plus equal to 1. Return MT1 comma MT2 NP input enter number of process. Burst time equal to for I in range NP. Burst time append input enter the burst time for process plus str I plus 1. List is equals to SJF sorted burst time and comma burst times. Enter average waiting time, str sum is into 0 by len list into 0. Print average time around time turnaround time plus str sum list 1 and by len list 1. Now let's run the program. Let's give here 3. The process time is burst time for process 1 is 20, 43, 16. The process burst time, waiting time, and turnaround time. Average waiting time is 17.3333 and so on. And average turnaround time of 43.6666. So let's go to the third one, that is round robin. The round robin is the schedule algorithm designed especially for time sharing system. It is round robin burst time t comma tq. Copy 1 is equals to burst time, copy 2 is equals to burst times, copy 3 is equals to burst times. Process is equals to plus I plus 1 for I in range, then copy 2 w equal to 0, while copy 2 dot copy 2 into count none not equal to len copy 2. If copy 2 into w not equal to none, k is equals to copy to w minus tq. If k greater than 1, copy to w equal to none, else copy to w equal to k. If w equal to then copy to minus 1, w equal to 0 for k in range, len copy to. If copy to k now we will to len none not equal to none, process append k plus 1 else, and w plus 1 else if w equal to if t the difference between the process and the record, and the difference in your list, let it be waiting time I equal to 0 and j is equal to 0, while true if I w equal to len copy 3, j I equal to 0, j equal to 1. If burst times I not equal to none, k is equal to burst times I minus tq. If k less than equal to 1, s plus equal to tq. Waiting time append burst time I equal to k, j plus equal to 1, if k greater than 1, s plus equal to burst time. So waiting time append j plus equal to 1, burst time is equals to none. So if we write this all the program, so now let's run the program. Before 29, 88, 96, 56. We got average waiting time 141.75, and the average turnaround time 209.0. And the last one is priority program. That is the priority schedule is one of the most common scheduling algorithm in the batch system. So we gonna take def priority burst time comma priority sprint process burst time waiting time and time around turnaround time. Waiting time is equal to 0, turnaround time is equal to 0, mt1 is equal to brackets, mt2 is equal to brackets. We got all this. mt1 dot append waiting time, mt2 dot append turnaround time, waiting time plus equal to burst time, priorities dot index, okay, I plus equal to 1, priorities dot index into k equals to max priorities plus 1, return mt1 comma mt2 np in